Being a doctor is God's gift because ang dami ko tagang na-meet amang in the process, parang kinailangan ko ng ganito. Few days after may darating na ganito. Kinailangan namin ng ganito. Parang it's either we met people or we met opportunities that led us from paying one thing to another and to another. And then pagdating mo ng dulo, hala, doktor na lagi ko. Pero when you look back, my God, there was no capacity talaga. It will only be a breadwinner who will understand another breadwinner. Kapag hindi po kayo breadwinner, hindi nyo po maiintindihan yung klaseng joy na bayad po yung bills, bayad po yung electricity, yung internet, bayad yung renta, bayad. These are small joy. Yung makapag-ice coffee, may sobra pang ice coffee, that's joy. And kasi when I share this to my platform, to Doc Kulot's platform, magko-comment talaga, Doc, totoo talaga yan. It's so true. Lagi sasabi, ang kwento ng isang tao, magre-resonate lang yan sa taong similar kayo ng pinagdaanan. If otherwise, hindi kayo similar, hindi niya maintindihan yung perspective mo, yung tingin mo sa isang bagay. Kaya yung journey ko talaga, Amang, talagang masasabi ko talaga, tiwala ka lang sa journey mo. You trust the process of building who you are, what you wanna be.